Hey y'all, in today's video I will be installing Sensational Butta Lace Unit 20 in the color 1B. This is how the wig comes straight out of the package. The initial curls on this unit is so nice, and this unit does come as a middle part wig. Prior to filming, I did tint my lace with my Ebin lace tint in the color medium brown. As you can see on the lace, there is a tiny hole. I may have plucked that part a little too hard, but that's okay because it did not ruin anything. Okay, first things first, I'm going to go in and cut the air tabs off on each side of the lace. So when it comes to installing my lace, I like to cut my lace into 3 sections first and work on each section separately. So I'm gonna go in with my Ebin Firm Hold adhesive spray and start with the middle section first. I'm gonna blow dry this section with a medium heat setting until I feel like the spray is tacky enough. Then I'm gonna go and apply that lace right on top of the glue. Now I'm going in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on the hot heat setting, and I'm doing this just for that extra melt and so that the lace can look a little bit more natural. Now to cut my lace, I like to cut my lace in a zigzag motion. This just comes off as more natural to me as opposed to just cutting straight across. So for the areas that did not fully glue down, I'm gonna go back in with my Ebin Firm Hold spray and relay the areas down. I'm gonna use my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color level 15 to really help blend that lace with my skin tone. This process really helps the lace to look so much more natural. Now I'm going in and I'm going to tweeze my baby hairs just for a more natural look. And the reason why I am not pulling out any like sideburns hairs, or I really don't care to really fully glue down like the sideburn area of this wig, because I'm going to have the hair down all the time. So it's really no point of me really putting in that effort unless I was going to have the hair up. go in with my flat iron to, I guess, like curl the baby hairs towards my face, just so that I can get a little bit more of like a natural fluffy look. To style my baby hairs, I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be gel and the black tube. I'm going in with my blow dryer, and I'm just doing this to really keep the baby hairs in place, because a lot of the times with synthetic baby hairs, they don't like to stay down. So I had to just go in with that. I'm going in with my hot comb, and this is on the lowest heat setting because it is synthetic, so we don't want to burn the wig. So I'm just flattening down the top of the wig to make it look nice and flat and natural. I did not add a wax stick to the top of this wig because I just didn't feel like it needed that extra product to flatten it down. Now it is time to brush out the curls. We are going to start from bottom and we're going to work our way up to the top, especially with synthetic units. We do not want to tangle the units. So I love this part because I just feel like you just never know like the real curl pattern until you fully brush the entire wig out. And it's like a little surprise at the end of it. A few people have asked me what type of brush I use for my synthetic wigs, and the brush that I use is called a vent wig brush. I do have it linked in my Amazon storefront, which is linked in my description box. But I do love using this brush because it just helps to detangle my hair. And I use this brush with my synthetic wigs and my human hair wigs, but this brush has like these holes in the back, and I don't know if that helps with the process, but it does what it needs to do. When it comes to the shedding of this unit, I didn't really get much shedding, maybe like minimum shedding it could have been for me plucking. But as far as the tangling, it did tangle towards the bottom of this unit. To enhance my parting space, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Time to do the final touches of this wig, so we really want to go back in with the hot comb and make sure you get the back of the wig. Don't just hot comb the top of the wig and have that flat and then it's a huge lump in the back. No, you want to get the entire wig, get everything in one go, because let's be honest, sometimes we do neglect the back of the wig. Like, we can see the front, but people can see the back too, y'all. Do not forget. Okay, so here's the final look of this wig, and I am so happy that I got my hands on this wig to review it because it was worth it. Like, just look at the nice luster, the curls on this wig, the lace, everything about this wig is perfect. The way that the curls just layers and frames my face is so perfect. I just love the way it looked. I would have to say that this unit just looks so natural to me. Like the way it feels, it even feels so natural and just bouncy. Like this wig was everything. And this wig honestly surprised me. I did not expect this wig to look this good from the way the stock card looked. But honestly, like this wig is definitely top notch. So Butta Lace unit, they are definitely getting up there.